Me tell you say people man nice and comfortable, you see. Hi. Hold on the mampy, somebody order. Welcome to this food you turn up. What you like to order? Can I have an oxtail with rice and peas and a bigger soda, the pineapple flavored, please? We out of that, mom. You don't have any oxtail? You know, I just hear me say that. Oh, well, can I have a curry goat with white rice? We're not a curry goat neither. Well, what do you have? We have mackerel and white rice. Ew, no, I don't like fish. Well, that alone we have. You're being like really rude. Lady, you want a mackerel or not? Man, pay daddy. Some white girl thought washing a yam fish. She smell like fish though. Can I get 2 beef patties and 1 veggie patty, please? We out a beef patty. Well, can I get the veggie patty and a bottle of water, please? We out of water. Wait, did you just say you're out of water? Yes, sir. Do you want me to write it down for you? Yo, you don't have to be so rude. Sir, you want the patty or not? Hello, Mampy. What you say now? What? Benz? A which color? Red? Nice. So, you wait till him wife left? Hi, I want some rice and peas with pasta, some fried chicken with oxtail gravy, 2 rum cake, 1 beef patty, 2 bigger soda, both grape and 1 fried dumpling. We out of everything where you just order. My girl, it's the second time I come here and out of food again. What a restaurant you for? Listen, ma'am, other people ready for order. Why you not move so I can help them? So wait, what you gonna give them for eat after nothing they have for yam? We have white rice and mackerel. Want to speak to your manager. We out of them there too.